Hi guys, welcome back to the Air Weapon channel, and today we're going to be taking another look at the Cobra Siege crossbow, and we're going to be redoing the Cardor test. A few weeks back I got a Cardor and I shot a zombie. Well, I shot two zombies through the Cardor using the Umarex Elite Airsaber X2 arrow rifle, and I tried it with the Cobra Adder crossbow and it didn't work. So now I'm going to try it with the Cobra Siege. This one is half the joules of the Umarex and 20 odd joules more than the Cobra Adder. So hopefully you should get some sort of decent result. This crossbow is shooting at 300 to 320 FPS and around 70 odd joules, 150 foot-pounds. So this is the bow. If you haven't already seen it, it's looking pretty mean. So yeah, very, very nice. So the Cardor is all set up down there. I'll show you a quick clip from that now. So what we have here, guys, is a new Cardor with a zombie with a new blood pack in his head, with a zombie with an exploding bottle with some blood look-alike fluid in it. Very pressurized. Look at the swell on that. So the plan is to shoot over there with the Siege crossbow, see if we can get it to go through the glass, through his head, and pop that bottle. And today's arrow of choice is the 15-inch bolt, and I'm going to use the same spiral arrowhead, as these things have proven to be a beast against steel and penetrating deep objects. So as I use this same arrowhead on the last couple of tests similar to this, I'm going to use the same arrowhead on this test. So only get one shot at this, so I'm hoping that it works. All right, let's get to the shooting then. I hope the camera picks the footage up and the slow motion up pretty cool, because running out of sunlight here. Let's load up the spiral. Right, he's all loaded up, ready to go. Nice spiral one in there. So hopefully this arrow travels where it's supposed to go, because I only get one shot at this. As far as I could tell, I am lined up perfectly to go through all of them. Maybe not. Maybe I might need to come over this side a little bit. Maybe a bit more this side. Place your votes now. What do you think? Yes or no? Straight through, triple impact, or just the window? It done the window, but it didn't pop. The bloody zombie. Guys, I don't know what happened there, but I think the reason why it didn't go straight through the zombie was because when it hit the glass, for some reason, the arrowhead come out. So for this test, I'm going to use one of these weird bladey pointy arrowheads. Get gutted about that. All the tests I've done before it, the arrow was pretty much hitting exactly where I wanted it to go. Typical on the actual shot, it doesn't work. Still not popping his head. Third time lucky. So we did hit all 3 targets that I was intending, but it was over 3 different shots, which is pretty disappointing. I was hoping for an all-in-one. So far, guys, out of the Air Saber, the Adder, and the Siege, the Air Saber's winning. So guys, this is the damage. Look at that. This piece of glass kept the sticker perfect. So we have blood everywhere, all over the caution tape, all running down. Glass is pretty bunged up, but it's mad how the glass is imploded this way. Oh shit. As you can see, the glass is imploded out instead of in. Maybe the bottle blew the glass out that way. Zombie got blood everywhere. So this zombie got 1 arrow in him. Not bad. This one went straight through his head down there. As you can see, that zombie didn't make it. This is the bottle. That is a lovely spread on that, isn't it? Look at that. Proper flow at the end of that. All the blood type fluid come out. So this zombie didn't make it. It did go through his back, some of the blood. God, he bled loads, didn't he? He lost his head from that shot. So the arrow did go through, straight through his head, but it looks like the arrow was snapped. There you go. He got mangled. I don't know how much longer this guy's gonna last, you know. He's survived quite well. So the arrow is all bloody and slimy, but it looks like the arrow's been destroyed. As you can see here, the arrow most definitely got destroyed in his head. So that's what's left of that arrow. Yeah. And here's my zombie mate. To be fair, I built this thing strong, guys. This head has taken some beatings. It's got holes everywhere, but he's good. Well guys, that was a big fail on the 3-in-1 shot, but I did do it in 3 shots. So I did destroy 2 arrows in that test and lose 1. So my next test is to see how deep this will penetrate into a car door. So I'm going to try and get it for the center of the cross of them yellow. Actually, that's going to be, yeah, so the thickest part of that car door is going to be where the yellow ribbon crosses. So I'm going to try and get it just between them, really. See, shooting low again, man. I only just zeroed that in again. Definitely the scope. Well, definitely shooting low. I was aiming for here. So it is definitely shooting low, as you can see there. So it's gone in much further than the Cobra Adder did. You see it's gone through the other side. We do have a push here, so it has pushed through, but it hasn't come all the way through. we've lost the arrow end. Alright guys, that did actually go through. It went through to here. So there's about 5.5 inches, 6 inches of the arrow went through, which isn't too bad. We did lose the arrowhead and the insert for the arrowhead stuck in the car door. So this crossbow is obviously more powerful than the Cobra Adder, but take into consideration that door is slightly less quality than the original car door video, but still impressive. 5.5, 6 inches of arrow through a steel car door. With the Siege and the Cobra Adder got about that much, and the Umarex got the whole arrow, a much bigger arrow. So hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Next video will be trying to see how accurate we can get this scope to be, really. See you all on the next one. Bye bye, guys.